Hi, I'm Jonah from Packserv, and we're here with our newest curved conveyor. This is a curved conveyor with a very small radius designed to fit in small rooms for smaller containers. One of the key selling points of this conveyor is the small, tight radius. Designed to fit in a small environment, we've got a radius of 250 millimeters to the center line of this conveyor, allowing the bottles to have a very smooth and short transition path between machines.